Good morning, students. Here we are again to learn about nouns and number. I'm Shelagul, your English teacher. Let us revise our nouns. A noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place, or a thing. Right? Let us take a look at the different forms of many in English. First, let us remember when it is one, we call it singular. Like in the picture, it is one girl and one girl is singular. And when there are many, it is called plural. That is why girls is plural. A noun that names one person, animal, place, or thing is called singular noun. Whereas a noun that names more than one person, animal, place, or thing is called plural noun. Now, students, for making a singular to plural, we generally add s. But there are many times when we have to add es to the nouns to make it plural. You have to remember the rule that the nouns which ends with ch, sh, s, double s, x. In these nouns, we add es. For example, the example of ch is watch, branch, beach. They end with ch and that is why we will add es, making it watches, branches, and beaches. Nouns which end with sh are fish, brush, wish, and their plural forms are when we add es. Okay, so the plural forms are fishes, brushes, and wishes, and we are adding es, my dear students. Now let's see examples of double s: glass, class, and ass. For this also we will add es and it will become glasses, classes, and asses. For s also we will add es, right? Examples are bus, virus, and gas, and we will add es and make it buses, viruses, and gases. Students, you have to remember that we will use es along with x also. So, box, fox, and prefix also takes es to become plural. So, the answer will be boxes, foxes, and prefixes. Remember to add es with ch, sh, s, double s, and x. But what happens with o? O also takes es, but there is little bit of difference. Let us see. In these examples, mango, tomato, mosquito, potato, and buffalo, there is a consonant before o. Consonants are those alphabets which are other than a, e, i, o, u. a, e, i, o, u हमारे क्या है? Vowels. तो जो वॉवल्स के अलावा जितने भी हमारे लेटर्स होते हैं, अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? कॉन्सोनेंट्स. इफ ओ इज आफ्टर अ कॉन्सोनेंट, then we add es, like mangoes, tomatoes, mosquitoes, potatoes, and buffaloes. Whereas if there is a vowel sound before o, we will add only s. Oh, this is confusing. No, my dear children, it is not at all confusing. We will just have to see a vowel. If there is a vowel, we will add s. Otherwise, we will add es. Simple. So, studio spells in studio. I is a vowel and we will add s and make it studios. Zoo. There is o before o and o is also vowel. So, zoos will be ZOOS, zoos. Tattoos, videos also have a vowel before o. That is why we will only add s and not es. It's very simple if you look at vowel. Now, students, if a noun ends with y, we will simply remove y and add IES. But again, there should be consonant before Y. If there is a vowel before Y, the rule changes. So remember, if there is a consonant before Y, we will remove Y and add IES. Example, baby, copy, duty, family and country takes IES to become the plural form. Babies, copies, etc. But if there is a vowel before Y, we will again add only S. So it is very similar to O. If there is a consonant before O, it takes ES. If there is a consonant before Y, it takes IES. And if there is a vowel before O and Y, we take only S. Like joy, toy, way, key and boy has a vowel O, A, E. And so they will take only S. Joys, toys, ways, keys, boys. If we learn the rule, it is very simple. Now students, if there is a noun that ends with F, we will remove F and add VES. Calf, loaf, scarf, shelf and half. They have F in the end and they will take VES, becoming calves, loaves, etc. But if it is FE and EF, FE or EF, then also we will add VES and we will remove those alphabets, F alphabet. LIFE, life, it will change into LIVES, and thief, THIEF, will change into THIEVES. So we will remove F and change it into VES. Right students? It's very simple. But if there are vowels and sometimes without vowels also, there are some exceptions I should say, then we will not change F or FE into VES. We only add S, like roof becomes roofs with only S. Okay, other examples are hoof, dwarf and chief. Now there are certain irregular plurals like man changes into men, woman changes into women, person changes into people, child changes into children, foot, feet, mouse, mice, tooth, teeth, fish remains fish, sheep remains sheep and goose changes into geese. Thank you students. I hope you have understood. Learn the rules and learn them properly. Bye.